Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a watermark in an MS Word document. Before we start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button. So, let us get started. First of all, open your Microsoft Word document. Then, go to the Design option. After that, from the right side, click on Watermark. Now, select Custom Watermark. Then choose Text Watermark. In the text box, add your watermark text. You can change the font, and you can also change the size and color. After that, click on Apply. That is it. Now, as you can see, the watermark has been added to the page background. If you want to remove it again, go to Watermark and then click on Remove Watermark. So friends, this is how you can add or remove a watermark in your Microsoft Word document. To get more videos like this, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video.